Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. January 8th, we've got the grains continuing their path a little lower. Corn down a half. When I came in this morning, corn was up about 1.5 to 2 cents. Now it's starting to drift a little lower as we get closer to that 7:45 or that 7:45 close. Beans, though, down about 8 cents, with wheat actually up 2 for now. So we'll see if that is consistent throughout the day. Looking at some of these other markets, Chinese bean market has been higher. So one would think that we should probably see beans here firm up. We saw China have a big purchase of beans yesterday. We'll see if there's any 8 a.m. sales here today as well. But it's the products in China that are falling apart. So the beans, or bean meal, bean oil, we've seen sharp declines over there, and that's kind of reflecting here, I believe. Looking at some of the other topics for beans that have been more hot-button topics, the rains down in Argentina and Brazil. They're getting a little smaller in Argentina. Still good coverage, and that's through Friday, and about 60% now, but it's less than what they had thought originally. Still good coverage, though, overall. As far as Brazil, there's only about 15% of the crop that are crop areas that are trending drier, and pretty good crop out of there as well. So we're getting some rains. Overall, still looking at South America as a whole having a good crop, and that's going to probably put some pressure on the beans here at some point if this does continue. It is still early down there, but right now they are getting what they need. There are some talks right now. Corn, we've got some support around this 420 area for March, but the rejections from China as far as this corn that they keep rejecting due to GMO issues. We're hoping that we sent the U.S. Grain Council over there heading to China, having some talks with them in hopes to kind of resolve this GMO issue. Now, there's a lot of speculation, things that you're hearing about with these cancellations. Is it just because they've got a huge crop, maybe they booked too much? Whatever kind of games that they may play, we'll have to see. But we've sent the U.S. Grain Council over there and looking to resolve this issue. We'll see if anything does come out of this. We've been talking here throughout the week. A couple things coming up: fund rebalancing as well as the report. The rebalancing, there are talks from the floor. Heard this morning. No one really knows how many fund positions these guys. That the index funds are going to come in to try to buy. But the latest number that I've heard here this morning, 150,000 tons, or 150,000 contracts of corn. That's the biggest rebalancing that they're going to be looking at from these funds. As far as the grains, 78,000 contracts of bean oil they're looking at coming in and trying to buy. These are the latest numbers. Now they're going to spread that through a week. This may not see as big a reaction as some are thinking. The fact still remains, rallies right now and corn should still be sold. There's a lot of corn out there, and we've got this USDA report on Friday probably going to show increased ending stocks for corn as well. So we're going to be looking for ending stocks closer to 1.9 billion carryout. That's a lot. They can rebalance. The funds can rebalance all they want. There's still going to be a lot of producers selling here on strength. So we're looking for that. As far as that report, we are looking for ending stocks to increase for corn. Beans maybe to remain the same, but the biggest surprise maybe out of the quarterly stock report, how much have we used, how much is left. That report may end up being a bigger surprise, but not looking for a big move, I guess, in either direction from this report. Looking at some of the outside markets today, stock futures down about 33, gold down $3, silver down about 8 cents today, and the dollar up about 24. So finding strength yet for that dollar. There is an energy report out this morning at 9:30. The EIA energy stocks that will be released once again at 9:30. So we'll see what kind of numbers come out of that. And then in livestock, very quiet right now. Cattle down about 5 cents. Hogs trying to come back from a weak day yesterday, but up just 5 cents at this point. We'll see if they can follow through throughout the day. Our conference, 3 weeks away, less than 3 weeks away. Get registered, get signed up, give us a call. We'd be glad to go through that with you. You can view this right from your computer. I know a lot of you guys out there have logged into our webinars before. This is going to be the exact same format for that, but give us a call. We can get you registered today. You can reach us over here at 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.